We got to make sure that we efface all visits by just telling people, hey, we don't got any surprises, okay? We just coming to see you. We don't have any surprises for you because we pulled up in that moment where they're like, oh, Bryan and Rashida's here. They got something to tell us. No. We got a new baby on the way. No, unfortunately, no, guys. Sorry to disappoint you. It's just me. Alright guys, welcome back to another segment of Riding with the Blaxstones. Today we dropping off Rashida's car.
Which we've already done.
We already did that.
Just now leaving Five Below because we had to get some stuff. So we went to this plaza and we went to a couple stores.
South Point Plaza is what it's called. South Point Plaza in McDonald's.
We went here. We're here because we went to a couple stores to get a couple things. And now we're going to our rental
property in Jonesboro
to
check on it, as well as check on my dad.
Yeah.
He trying to buy some of that cryptocurrency, doggy coin. He think it's gonna be the next big thing.
He might be right.
If anybody invested in doggy coin or GameStop, let me know in the comments below.
Don't be stealing that man thing. And then you're gonna get blocked on YouTube because you done took somebody else's stuff. That's where we're going, and of course, as you guys know, he gets on my nerves. We'll try to slow down on the cussing part, and then we're gonna just go see some of our family. We went to go see my mom yesterday.
A long time ago, before the beginning of time.
So today we're gonna go see Bryan's side. Go check on grandmas and stuff. You're doing a lot right now. You shouldn't even press record.
Huh? I gotta get my car ready so we can go.
You should have got your car ready and then press record.
Today we listened to the Outcast Appreciation playlist.
Yeah, because that's what I want to listen to.
Let's get it.
The group called Outcast. Yeah.
So on next week's menu is creamy lemon spinach ricotta ravioli. Oh, I think Bryan done ate my Snickers. Oh no, you didn't.
I ate your Snickers, girl. We have a Snickers mukbang.
A Snickers mukbang. Mukbang and story time.
We're supposed to be eating better though, y'all.
We are, but I'm hungry.
Somehow a Snickers.
So you gonna stop by and get me something? We finna go to Chick-fil-A and get a sandwich?
I'm finna drop you off at your
Are we finna go to Chick-fil-A and get a sandwich?
I don't know where no Chick-fil-A is.
It's a Chick-fil-A right across the Toyota. Stop playing with me. It's gonna be the fries or the Snickers. Which one's gonna be? I don't even know why I got this.
I know why you got it.
Why I got it. It was an impulse buy. Y'all, if y'all see any of these, make sure you go get some. These are the Clorox disinfecting wipes to go packs. They're really good for like carts and stuff when you're at the store. I would say have gloves on because you smell like bleach, but I like the smell of bleach because I'm just weird like that.
Very weird. You like the smell of. All right, guys. So we're here at the other house. I just do a little.
About to go in and regulate.
You don't like that. Big yellow house.
Hey, open the door before the damn cat.
Oh, my bad. Hey, yo, man, anybody out here know how to do steps, hit me up. We got some work to do up here. There we go. That bit. is where the magic happens. They all turned out good. But Darlene was like, you whooped that butt. Yeah. I said, one time she whooped Jessica. I said, dude, Jessica, dude. Jessica is like the most perfect kid. She hit Bryan. And she hit
another thing.
And she said, I saw her hit him this. I be saying, Bryan, Jessica ain't hit you. And then we tell nobody Jessica hit you.
Don't let her do that.
No, it's no grown lady. No.
Give her a little tap. You got to. They gotta have structure or they're gonna think that that's okay. And I don't hit other people's kids, but Brittany done gave us the okay.
Yeah. The kids was such a good kid. I said, what they do? I told them when they got through eating, they need to put them chairs under the table. And they left their food on the table. It'd be something it'd be mounded up.
Yeah, it's stuff like, okay, you know, when she's gonna try to play me and not follow the rules and think I'm gonna clean up your mess.
Yeah.
No, kids need structure. So your children will be getting whoopings.
They need children.
Your children.
I don't believe in corporal punishment.
It's not corporal punishment.
That's what the word was back there.
So your child come out the store with a big pack of bubbly, she's gonna chew and laugh. Just enjoying. Oh, a honey bun.
I think I got the honey one. That's what I stole. I stole me a honey bun.
What are you gonna do, eh? Because if we together, you know, what you gonna do?
First of all, I'm gonna take the honey bun from him. Hey man,
Yeah, that's exactly.
you only eat Mrs. Freshie's honey buns down here. You over here with these little Debbie snap cakes. These ain't real honey buns, son. Let me put you on game. And also, don't be stealing out these stores.
So you think to tell him the brand of honey bun to buy is important before telling him not to steal, and that's why our kids are gonna be getting whooping. Because that don't make no sense.
I know he had to get a whooping.
Lying.
And made that steal.
No lying. Oh, baby, kid, I'm looking freshness. I don't doing anything. So then we go to the store again, they're gonna steal Miss Freshly. You gonna apologize for that?
Why you didn't get two?
Right. Nah, man. Our children will be getting whooped.
Hey, Rashida. Alright, guys, so we're headed to Auntie Reese's house to see Grandma Ruby. This is called the Riding with the Blaxstones family reunion tour. We're making our rounds. All the people that we haven't seen because we're in a pandemic.
We in the middle of a pandemic. Yep. Really not engaged today because I'm still sleepy. Bryan gave me a sleeping pill yesterday.
She thought was asleep.
Hey.
That's right. Where the hell she going?
Put your car all out.
So we're here.
Nice.
You always, this is a private moment.
Oh, we thought that's what we was coming over here for.
Lord. Oh, Lord. Please don't talk to your grandma.
All right, Auntie Reese. We'll see y'all later.
Okay, darling.
Mama Ruby.
Good to see you guys.
Always good to see y'all.
Bye, guys. Y'all have Kiss Steven for me. Okay, I'm here. We're about to come over here and have some fun.
You said King and Mason gonna be over here tomorrow?
Yeah, oh, wow.
Might try to come through. We'll see. Yeah, I ain't seen you guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah.
Yes. I don't.
No problem. Next stop, picking up Sheeta's car. Anyway, wrapping up this day. Go pick up Rashida's car.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go to the grocery stores and to the bank. And even though
We're gonna be in separate cars, so technically you gonna go through that stuff. I'm gonna go home. Okay.
I'm trying to hold off because I know we're gonna go cook. I'm hungry. I had some of those.
This was the Blackstone family reunion tour.
Oh, lunch.
Blackstone.
You ever seen everybody on the family reunion? At the family reunion, we introducing. This my husband Bryan, and he think he the This looks so dumb. He is really a at the family reunion. Oh! I just babe, I'm just kidding. It wasn't even that funny, babe. Babe, I love you. This is my husband Bryan, and I love him to death. Please don't be mad. I will. Yeah. Oh, now you smiling? All right. And on that note, guys.
Thanks for joining us on this ride.
Yay!
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yay! What is our song?
I can go the key to my heart. Oh, as simple as a touch and a kiss. Never knew a feeling like this.
Good.
Hi. Good, how are you? It's kind of cold out here to be here. Yeah. No problem.
Alright, you good to go?
Thank you. You too.
They check your temperature when you come into the
Dealership.
And you're all washed out.
Where my mask at?
Get the fuck out of your car.
Hard out while we're here.
Hit that stop recording.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.